Yes, sir?
So even death does not affect my consciousness.
No,
If we go through this,
not, it'll sure affect your,
I don't know.
you, and your awareness and your mind and your history and your experience and all that kind of stuff, right? But it won't affect your consciousness, which is to say, if you're not conscious of anything absolute, then you'll just die. And you'll be completely unconscious.
I don't get it. Sorry. Can you repeat, please?
Okie dokie. If you're not really conscious of what's true beyond life and death, then when you die, whatever you got will die.
Yeah.
Okay? And if you get born again, then you have to do it all over again. Huh? I don't know about you, but I don't want to get born again. The horror. I don't know. Maybe you had a good time, but I'd rather not go through that shit again. And holy Christ, life without enlightenment? The horror. It's just a miserable event. But, hey, whatever.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.